If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, power steering, air conditioning. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.